What?
The siding's coming off.
Yeah, no, that's what they said. Whose siding's coming off? Oh, wow.
That sucks.
There's...
Didn't they pay like
Dang.
$500,000 for this?
There goes your condo.
Oh, damn it. Okay.
Hey, Alicia. Say hi.
Hey.
You can't even see down our alley at all. Let's go take a walk in the front.
Look at
That's creepy. Here, hold this for me. I gotta put my glove in. Oh, my face. Ow. Hi.
It's a small street.
I'm surprised they haven't come out and like did anything to like tear it
I
off.
was walking, I said, "That's not me off the wind." It was like,
Okay, let's check through this.
look at this.
Yeah.
Oh, it's technically giant, but I'm about to get tackled.
Dude, I haven't worn snow pants since I was like 7.
And then the cotton came out and bent down and the pants split.
Hey. Dude, look, you can't even see down the sidewalk.
I'm just taking pictures. What the hell? What is this?
I want to go stand in the street because there's like no cars for once. Look at this. I can actually literally stand on Wilson and there's no cars
Wow, let's go.
whatsoever.
Last time.
Well, there's one down there, but I'll move out of the way. This is making me sound like I have a cold.
When I got here, this guy was parking.
He just parked and he's got that much
Yeah.
snow on his car. Let's go to my car.
Wow, watch out.
Branch to the face. Dude, you could never stand in the middle of Wilson. New profile pic.
Here. Look at your head. Your eyes are crazy. What's wrong with
This is like so
you? My friends are my foot. Why?
your branch. Alright. Dude, the car is still not covered. My car is like awesome. This is too much snow for us to do. My car, still not covered. My face! Chicago's like literally a ghost town right now. Like, it's the end of the streets. The train, if you can even see that, I don't know. And this is not even anywhere near done. won't blow away.
I almost did like 5 times.
Go across the street, see if I can see you.
Alright.
At least he's almost gone.